This project is McCay Creek, and our group has been working on this since 2013 and basically restoring this waterway. It's a salmon-bearing stream. It leads out into the Burrard Inlet. We get spawning coho and chum and the occasional pink salmon as well. But it was really degraded. It needed a lot of help, so our group came in to do a lot of work all up the creek. We began in 2013. The initial project was at the estuary, removing a barrier to fish passage called a weir, and reshaping the entire shoreline essentially from where the creek opens up into the inlet. And so it is more conducive to fish passage. We were able to do that, and immediately some more salmon started coming up the creek. The next thing we started doing was moving up, working up the creek a little bit more, and our primary focus ever since then has been tackling invasive plants. And these plants reduce diversity, so there's only maybe 2 or 3 species. They take over an area, and it stops native plants from growing, and it really hurts the creek and the salmon. We had to essentially dig everything up and form these new little islands in here. We also had the excavator put in all of these wildlife trees, these dead trees here, because they're really important habitat for cavity nesting birds and really great perching as well. We call them wildlife trees because so many different animals use them. And this all happened in the fall of 2019. And then we had to replant the area after that. So we've replanted all the surrounding area. We've also used coffee bags, as you might be able to see, these burlap sacks, to try to suppress the invasives. It's been quite successful. And we've staked. This is staking. This is willow here. It's another very effective way to really quickly colonize an area with new plants, so that it can again suppress those invasives from coming. And you can actually see they're all growing all on those little islands as well. So Wild Coast Ecological Society is a registered BC society. We do accept donations, and we are always looking for more people to help support this project as we move forward. We are hoping to be able to do even more here in the future to help our wildlife. And we're also excited to have more volunteer opportunities to do lots of events to help remove more weeds and do some nice plantings as we're able to, as the province opens up.